next is parallel lines. Next topic is parallel lines. Now suppose you are having two lines, A, B, C, D. Now two lines will be parallel to each other if they maintain same perpendicular distance between them. Then lines are said to be parallel. Just like now this line and this line. So these two lines are not parallel here, because as you can see here, the distances keep on decreasing. And at one point, if we will extend this, at one point they will meet each other. So these are not parallel lines. For parallel lines, condition is there, as I told you, they should maintain same distance between them. Then next is intersecting lines. This is your line AB, and this is your line CD. Now as you can see, these two lines are intersecting each other. These two lines are intersecting each other at this point. So this point is intersection point, and you can write this as O. Now line AB and CD both are crossing each other, intersecting each other at point O. So when two lines are, that means if two lines lie in the same plane and not parallel to each other, they are called intersecting lines. Now we are having some angle properties here. So this is first angle, that means one angle you can consider, and this one another angle. So as you can see, these two angles are opposite to each other, and they are vertical opposite angle. If you are having value of this angle 60 degree, this will be 60 degree, just because of vertically opposite angle. If you are having a value of this angle 120 degree, so this also 120 degree, vertically opposite angle. These two will be same. So suppose you are having lines. Now in this case, you are having line AB and CD. So in the starting, you are having this much distance. Then if you observe that distance between these two lines is decreasing, and at one point they will meet. Yes. So these 2 points are meeting with each other at this point. So again, this is intersection point, and this angle and this angle will be equal if you are solving, and these are vertical opposite angles. Then some points, the distance between two parallel lines is always the same, as I told you, and the distance between two non-parallel lines keeps changing. Yes, two different lines in a plane are either parallel or they intersect at only one point. That means if in a plane you are having two lines, so they will be parallel to each other or they will intersect each other at one point. The definitions of parallel lines and intersecting lines are applicable only when the lines are in the same plane. That means if two lines are in same plane, then you can find whether the lines are parallel or intersecting. Then collinear. So if three or more than 3 points lie on the same straight line, then the points are called collinear. So one, this is first point, this is second point, and this one is third point. So this one is your A, B and C, and this is your line. So in this line we are having point A, point B, point C in this line, and all these points A, B, C lying on the same line. That means points A, B, C are collinear points. Then if you are having another line just like this, and in this example we are having point A here, point B here, and point P here. So as you can see this diagram, we are considering 3 points A, B and P. Points A and B both are lying on the line, but point P is not on the line. Point P is in the exterior of line. So these points A, B, P are not collinear. That means we can call non-collinear. If 3 or more than 3 straight lines in the same plane passing through the same point, the lines are called concurrent lines. So this is your point, and first line, then this one is second line. As I told you in last topic, that if you are having one point and there are infinite lines which can pass through that one point. So this is your just like A, B, then C, D, E, F. So these lines are concurrent, and here we are having this point from where all lines are passing. So this point is known as point of concurrence. Now your introduction part is over.